Today, beautiful Bavarian scenery, Mavic 2 drone flying with the Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom, and also a chance to win free stuff. Let's get to it. Welcome back. A special welcome also to the Ready Set Drone fans. I'm so glad you guys are here. I had a fun time hanging out and doing some drone flying and filming with Kelly over the last week, and one of the videos we collaborated on was this cool behind the scenes of us hiking around the Tegernsee here in Bavaria, Germany. It's one of my favorite places on earth and also one of the most beautiful. I'm sure you'll agree. As an added bonus, my favorite brewery in the whole world is there, Tegernsee. And wait for it, they can trace back roots to a monastery in the year, not in the 1800s, not in the 1400s, also not around the year 1000, but the year 746. Are you kidding me? Before we get into that sweet cinematic sequence, I want to make sure that you know about the free checklist I have available for you guys. You can print it out, laminate it like this, and it's super handy to make sure that you don't forget any essential gear at home. Micro SD card, anyone? You can print it out, even laminate it like this. And I've got it free for you guys. You can check it out by going to QuadcopterGuide.com/checklist. But don't leave just yet. I'll remind you at the end of the video. All right, it's that moment we've been waiting for. Let's roll the cinematic sequence. If you thought that cinematic sequence filmed with the Mavic 2 Pro, the Mavic 2 Zoom, and 2 Osmo Actions, as well as a Sony a6500 was pretty sweet, consider giving this video a like. Alright, to the contest. Kelly is giving away 5 Ready Set Drone t-shirts, and here are the details on how to win. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and Ready Set Drone for awesome drone and gear videos. Email the answer to how low did Kelly's battery get after shooting that hyperlapse to contest@readysetdrone.com. Now, to get that answer, you have to make sure you watched Kelly's video, which you hopefully did, but if you haven't yet, not a big deal. I've got it linked in the description below. Trust me, the answer's in there. And just for fun, what part of that cinematic sequence was your favorite? And also, what camera or drone do you think it was filmed with? I can't wait for the great comments from you guys down below. Hey, I want to thank you so much for checking out this video. So awesome that you're here. If you want to get the most out of your drone, whether it be a Mavic 2 or another drone, or just other cameras in general, be sure to check out some of these videos right here. I've got some awesome tutorials for you guys. And of course, for more, feel free to subscribe. Can't wait to see you in the next one.